All right, moving on to trapezoids. I just want you to take a look at this. Something I immediately noticed was that if I duplicated this shape, that it would create another parallelogram like we had just talked about. So therefore, we know how to find the area of a parallelogram. So I just used the method to solve for that to solve for the area of the trapezoid. So here I am just duplicating the trapezoid. On the bottom base it has 4 squares. So I did 4 on the top, and I'm just color coding it so that I know that the top and the bottom are the same amount. And same thing for that top and bottom of the base with just had 1, and I did mistakenly draw 2. So my OCD is kicking in, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe that out really quickly. So now I am just counting the base and the height for the trapezoid. So on the bottom there's 5 total for the base, and then for the height or length, whatever you'd like to call it, there is just 2. And I did go ahead and make little dotted triangles of where the shape of the square would be, just to verify that the height is indeed 2. So here I'm just writing out the base times length formula. 5 times 2 equals 10, but I am dividing it in 2 since I did duplicate it in the first time. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 5 is the area. Something I did notice, however, with this is since the base 1 on the top being the blue and the base on the bottom being the green, we just added them together essentially by flipping it and multiplying it. So I just labeled the blue as base 1 and the green as base 2, and instead of it saying that it was just one base, the base really was base 1 plus base 2 times the height, all divided by 2 again. Just as a side note, if you notice I put width times length equals height, I meant to say area. I just must have been working too quickly, so I apologize.